My grandmother's butter trick saved me hundreds of dollars and transformed my cooking completely. Last year, I was throwing away spoiled butter weekly. Buying small amounts meant constant grocery trips, while larger packages went rancid before I could use them. Then my neighbor, an experienced baker, shared a simple technique that seemed too good to be true. Freezing butter properly extends its life by months while improving your cooking results. The science behind butter preservation. Butter contains approximately 80% fat and 16% water. When stored at room temperature, rancidity develops as fats oxidize with air exposure. According to the Used to Food Safety Guidelines, freezing stops this oxidation process completely, preserving flavor and nutritional value. Research from the Journal of Food Science shows that properly frozen butter maintains quality for up to 12 months. The key lies in preventing air exposure, which causes the off flavors most people associate with frozen dairy products. My personal freezing discovery journey. 3 months ago, I decided to test this method systematically. I bought 4 pounds of butter on sale, divided it into portions, and froze 3 pounds using different techniques. The results surprised me completely. Properly wrapped butter tasted identical to fresh, even after 6 months of storage. The poorly wrapped samples developed freezer burn, confirming that technique matters more than time. Julia Child actually recommended this method, noting that professional bakers freeze butter regularly for consistent results. Benefit number 1. Significant cost savings. Buying butter in bulk during sales creates substantial savings. Grocery stores often discount butter by 30 to 50%, but only for limited quantities or time periods. Freezing allows you to stock up, potentially saving $40 or more annually for regular bakers. Restaurant supply stores offer even better prices but require larger purchases. Freezing makes these quantities practical for home use. Benefit number 2. Improved baking texture. Frozen butter creates superior pastry results. When making pie crusts or biscuits, cold butter produces flakier textures. Grating frozen butter directly into flour creates perfect distribution without overworking the dough. According to America's Test Kitchen research, frozen butter stays solid longer during mixing. This prevents the fat from melting, which would create tough, dense baked goods instead of light, flaky layers. Benefit number 3. Portion control convenience. Pre-portioning butter before freezing eliminates waste. Divide sticks into tablespoon measurements or freeze in recipe-specific amounts. This prevents defrosting more than needed while ensuring accurate measurements for consistent cooking results. Proper freezing techniques step by step. Wrap individual butter sticks in aluminum foil first, then place in freezer bags. Remove as much air as possible or use vacuum sealing for best results. Label with freezing dates and use oldest packages first. Unsalted butter freezes better than salted varieties. Salt can affect texture during freezing, though both remain safe and usable. Organic butter may have shorter freezer life due to lack of preservatives. Defrosting methods that preserve quality. Move frozen butter to refrigerator 12 hours before use. This gradual thawing maintains original texture, preventing separation or graininess. Never defrost at room temperature, as temperature fluctuations affect consistency. For immediate use, grate frozen butter directly into recipes. This works perfectly for baking applications where cold butter creates better results anyway. Creative culinary applications. Compound butters freeze exceptionally well. Mix herbs, garlic, or spices into softened butter, then freeze in small portions. These add instant flavor to steaks, vegetables, or bread. Freeze butter in ice cube trays, then transfer to bags. These uniform portions make measuring easier while preventing waste from cutting too much. Storage container considerations. Glass containers can crack from temperature changes. Stick with plastic containers or bags designed for freezer use. Avoid metal containers as they conduct cold too efficiently, potentially affecting texture. Recognizing quality after freezing. Properly frozen butter should smell fresh with no off odors when defrosted. The color should remain consistent without dark spots or separation. Texture might seem slightly different initially, but returns to normal at room temperature.